I can speak in Korean. Hello, this is Yanghae from Nado Korean. Do you remember that we learned how to pronounce consonants before? Today's class, a little bit advanced class of pronouncing consonants. So today we're going to learn how to pronounce 비읍, 디귿, 지읒, 기역 in certain circumstances. In certain cases, your vocal cords will vibrate when you pronounce 비읍, 디귿, 지읒, 기역. First case is when 비읍, 디귿, 지읒, 기역 is located between vowels. Please repeat after me. 가방, 가방. 바다, 바다. 어제, 어제. 여기, 여기. Next case is when 비읍, 디귿, 지읒, 기역 is located between final consonants 니은, 리을, 미음, 이응, and vowels. Please follow me. 감기, 감기. 언제, 언제. 농구, 농구. 즐거운, 즐거운. Did you feel that your vocal cords vibrate when you pronounce 비읍, 디귿, 지읒, 기역 in these situations? But 비읍, 디귿, 지읒, 기역 do not always become voiced sounds. For example, when you pronounce 용돈, instead of 디귿 becoming voiced sound, it becomes tense sound. We will learn more about these sounds later on. So please stay with us. Now, let's make some sentences with consonants that becomes voiced sounds. It's important to repeat after me. 우리 집에 가서 놀다 가. 우리 집에 가서 놀다 가. 내 동생은 자주 감기에 걸려. 내 동생은 자주 감기에 걸려. 이 발음은 어려우니까 먼저 잘 들으세요. 이 발음은 어려우니까 먼저 잘 들으세요. Good job! I hope this video is helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button and subscribe our channel. See you next time. 안녕!